Busy day? Still want something tasty, colorful, and honestly pretty Instagrammable? Today, we are making chicken and asparagus stir-fry. Simple, comforting, and absolutely dinner winner material. Hit subscribe for more easy eats, and let's start! First, let's slice our onion into thin strips and let it soak in water for about 15 minutes. While it's soaking, gently separate the onion layers with your fingers so they don't stick together later like best friends who refuse to split up. It also makes the onion milder and gentler on your stomach. Alright, moving on. Now, let's get our red bell pepper ready. Cut it into thin strips, about 1/4 inch wide, kind of like elegant ribbons instead of chunky Lego blocks. We want them thin enough to cook fast, but not disappear. Next, 3 slices of ginger. Just cut them into thin shreds. Think elegant hair highlights, but for your stir-fry. Okay, ginger done. Let's prep the star green guest. Now, asparagus time. First, trim off the ends. About 1 inch is good. If your asparagus is older or thicker, you can trim a bit more, about 1.5 to 2 inches. Then, cut them into pieces about 1.5 to 2 inches long. Basically, bite-sized but still looking classy. Cool, veggies ready. Let's deal with the chicken. Now, the chicken. You can use breast, thigh, or like me today, tenderloin, aka the part most people have no idea what to do with, but today we do. Slice it into thin pieces, pop it into a bowl, add a pinch of white pepper, 1 teaspoon of soy sauce, a tiny splash of dark soy for color, a bit of cornstarch, mix it well. Then, add a tiny bit of oil to lock everything in. Let it chill and marinate for about 10 minutes. Perfect! While it relaxes, we make the sauce. Add either kombudashi granules or oyster sauce, whichever you like for that umami magic. Then, a little sugar, a sprinkle of white pepper, some soy sauce, a little dark soy sauce for color, water, and if you have scallion oil, that's chef kiss level flavor. Give it a good mix. We are basically mixing happiness in a bowl, and set it aside. In another small bowl, mix cornstarch with water. This is our gentle drama effect later. Stir it well and we are ready to cook. Heat your pan with a little oil over medium heat. Add onion, asparagus, and red pepper. Stir fry for about 1 to 2 minutes until they are about 70% done. They should look bright, happy, and slightly softened, not set and mushy. Take them out and set aside. Their big moment is coming back. In the same pan, add a little more oil if you need it. Toss in the ginger and let it sizzle until it smells amazing. That classic Chinese kitchen aroma. Then, add the chicken. Spread it out and stir fry until it firms up and looks cooked on the outside. About 70% done. Now, add a splash of Shaoxing wine for a little flavor boost. And if you don't drink alcohol, totally skip it. No pressure. Let the alcohol cook off. Then, bring back those beautiful veggies. Pour in the sauce we mixed earlier and let everything come to a gentle boil. Like a cozy hot tub party, but for food. Taste and adjust if needed. Want more soy sauce? More oyster sauce? Go with your heart. It's your kitchen. Once the sauce bubbles, stir the cornstarch slurry. It loves sitting at the bottom doing nothing. Then, put it in. Stir, stir, stir until the sauce slightly thickens and beautifully coats everything. Not too thick, just shiny, glossy, and professional looking. And we are done. Transfer it to a plate, admire your work, and of course, take a few quick snaps for Instagram. Because if you don't post it, Did you even cook it? And that's our chicken and asparagus stir fry. Colorful, clean, comforting, packed with flavor, and honestly, way better than takeout. If you love simple Asian home cooking like this, check out the next video on screen. I've got more easy dinner ideas waiting for you. Don't forget to like, subscribe if you haven't yet. And I'll see you in the next one. Happy cooking! Bye!